Hi, I'm E, and this is the presentation for assignment 5. In assignment 5, we're asked to write a method area to the class rectangle that returns the area of any instance and write a parameter method in the rectangle class so that we can find the parameter of any rectangle instance. So I first copied the definition of the rectangle class here. I actually omitted the part where it instantiated the box and bomb and printed the box and bomb because I don't think it's relevant in this assignment since we're only defining those two helper methods. And also I realized that the rectangle class has the point object that are defined in a previous chapter of the textbook. So I actually got the point object definition here. I don't have to have the serialization method here, but I figured it's useful, so I just included it. So now I have the point. I can successfully initialize a rectangle instance. I also realized that in the instruction there is a test method that assumes there's a test method and it's not defined anywhere. It's not a built-in library in Python. So I just wrote this simple test method that prints pass or failed based on if it's true or not. Because this argument is just a true and false statement. Okay, and the area method itself is going to be a member method of the rectangle class. It takes in the self reference so that it gets the width and height. Use times to get the area. And similarly for the parameter method, we define a method in the class. It gets a self-reference so that it can get width and height. Calculates the parameter by plussing them together and then times 2. And in the test, I wrote the test directly into the program because it's simple to do so, and I think it will suffice this assignment's requirement. And I will have the basic test here, and I have a second test in which I switch the position of the point just to verify that the point shouldn't matter in both area and parameter methods. And in the extra test 2, I reverted the point back to the original and I changed the width and height to verify that those methods are working correctly mathematically. And now we can execute the program. We go to the terminal and run it, and we can see that it outputs a fashion like this. Basically, it just says the basic test and then test method because it just prints stuff. This is both the area test and the parameter test that's passed. And the same thing goes for the extra tests. And yeah, I believe that's the presentation for assignment 5. Thank you.